Hello everyone, my name is Dante Massimino, and in this episode I'm going to be talking about three AutoCAD commands: union, subtract, and intersect. Now these are three very simple commands that can prove to be very useful. For example, if I decide that I want to move this object here to a different point, I would use the move command, select this, and start moving it. But as you can see, this moves, but this stays, since these are two separate objects. Well, you can fix that using the union command, done by typing uni for union, or it can be found up here on the toolbar right there. So in order to do union, it's really very simple. You just select the objects that you want to squish together. And there you go. Now it's one object, and if you want to move it, you just select it, and you can move it all as one object. Next up, we have the subtract command, which can be found up here. Subtract is used for when you want to subtract one solid from another solid. It's slightly more complicated than union in that the order that you select the objects matters. Alright, so we have one box here and a cube here that we would like to subtract it from. So, you pick subtract, and the first thing you do is select the object that you'd like to subtract from, so this cube here. Then you hit enter or right click, and then you choose the object that you're going to subtract, this one. And then you hit enter again, and there you have it. As you see, that box that we had was subtracted from this cube here. And finally, we have the intersect command. Intersect is used when you want to take just the parts of the objects that they have in common. This is less complicated than subtract, and it's much like union in that you can pick them in any order that you want. So, we select our objects, and we tell it to go, and there you have it. It's just the parts of the objects that are connected, or that aren't connected, that are common between the objects. There you go. Alrighty, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to tune in next time.